Hi everybody, I'm Bree with WordPress.com. We are here in beautiful New York City with Out in Tech for the first in-person Digital Corps Hackathon since 2019. So what is a Digital Corps Hackathon? Well, basically a bunch of volunteers, designers, developers, and people from WordPress.com and Automatic all come together to build 10 websites in just about 8 hours. These websites are for LGBTQ+ organizations all across the globe who are in need of websites to get essential resources out to their communities. At the end of the day, when the hackathon comes to a close, the websites are all presented and you really get to feel the power of the community, the Out in Tech community, the WordPress community, everyone coming together to build something that is so important for the LGBTQ+ community across the globe.